In today's rapidly changing world, standing still is not an option. To thrive, both individuals and organizations must embrace continuous learning. Continuous learning is the ongoing pursuit of knowledge and skills. It's about fostering a mindset of curiosity, growth and adaptability. This essay will explore the transformative power of continuous learning. We'll delve into its benefits, strategies for implementation and real-world examples. Join me as we unlock the potential that lies within a culture of continuous learning. Why is continuous learning so crucial? In an era of constant disruption, the ability to adapt and evolve is paramount. Technological advancements, shifting market demands, and evolving customer expectations require individuals and organizations to stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning empowers us to navigate these complexities. It equips individuals with the skills and knowledge to remain relevant and thrive in their careers. For organizations, it fosters agility, innovation, and a competitive edge. Continuous learning offers a plethora of benefits for individuals. It enhances skills and knowledge, boosting professional competency and career growth. By staying abreast of industry trends and advancements, individuals can position themselves for new opportunities and increased earning potential. Moreover, continuous learning fosters personal growth and fulfillment. It cultivates a growth mindset, encouraging individuals to embrace challenges and view setbacks as opportunities for learning and development. Organizations that prioritize continuous learning reap significant rewards. A culture of learning attracts and retains top talent, as employees are drawn to environments that value their growth and development. Furthermore, continuous learning fuels innovation. When employees are encouraged to expand their knowledge and explore new ideas, they are more likely to generate creative solutions and drive organizational progress. Section 5. Creating a learning culture. Creating a culture of continuous learning requires a deliberate and multifaceted approach. It's not merely about offering occasional training programs, it's about embedding learning into the fabric of the organization. This involves fostering a shared belief in the importance of learning, providing access to learning resources, and encouraging collaboration and knowledge sharing among employees. A learning culture is one where curiosity is celebrated and experimentation is encouraged. Section 6. Leadership's crucial role. Leadership plays a pivotal role in cultivating a culture of continuous learning. Leaders must champion the importance of learning both through their words and actions. They should model a growth mindset, be open to new ideas, and actively participate in learning initiatives. Moreover, leaders must create an environment that supports and encourages learning. This includes providing employees with dedicated time for learning, access to relevant resources, and opportunities to apply their newfound knowledge. Section 7. Practical strategies for implementation. Implementing continuous learning effectively requires practical strategies. Organizations can establish mentoring programs where experienced employees share their knowledge and expertise with newer colleagues. Online learning platforms and micro-learning modules offer flexible and accessible avenues for acquiring new skills. Regular lunch and learn sessions provide a platform for employees to share their knowledge and learn from one another. Encouraging attendance at industry conferences and workshops exposes employees to cutting-edge trends and best practices. Section 8. Continuous learning in action. Let's explore how continuous learning can be operationalized in different industries. In technology firms, employees can engage in hackathons and coding challenges to enhance their technical skills and explore emerging technologies. Manufacturing plants can implement on-the-job training programs that allow employees to rotate through different departments, gaining a holistic understanding of the production process. Hospital networks can offer continuing medical education courses and simulations to keep healthcare professionals updated on the latest medical advancements and best practices. Marketing agencies can host workshops on digital marketing trends, content creation, and social media strategies to keep their teams ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Section 9. A call to action. The importance of continuous learning cannot be overstated. In a world characterized by constant change and disruption, a commitment to learning is no longer optional. It is essential for both individual and organizational success. Leaders, I urge you to reflect on your organization's learning culture. Are you providing your employees with the resources and support they need to thrive in today's dynamic environment? Embrace the transformative power of continuous learning and unlock the full potential that lies within your organization. Section 10. Embracing the future. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, let us remember that learning is a lifelong journey. By embracing continuous learning, we empower ourselves and our organizations to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an ever-changing world. Let us create cultures of learning where curiosity is celebrated, knowledge is shared, and growth is a constant pursuit. Together, let's unlock the boundless potential that lies within each of us and build a brighter future for all.